Hey, so in this video guide, I'll show you how you can put yourself in your student's shoes and see what they see. All right. So first things first, congratulations on publishing your first encrypted course. Now let's move back to the screen. Okay. So this is the usual screen you'll jump back in, which is the dashboard. From here, you have to go to users. On users, click on learners, and here just click on add. Now add your student's email ID here. Just make sure of one thing, that you do not use the same email ID that you have used to open your account on Learnyst. Here, use a different email ID. Now moving on to products, I will select the course that I have created and access type, let's put it as paid. Let's keep the amount as 5,000, expiry not required as of now, and let's add new learner. As you can see, your default password for this student account would be password. Just keep that in mind. Okay. Now moving on to the Gmail account. In just a few seconds, you'll see an email popping up. Here, as you can see, first of all, this is what your students see for the first time. And by clicking on confirmation, you confirm. Account or the email that you used as a student email. Alright, now as you can see, I am already inside this course. Let's click on this course and you are inside the course. This is what your students see. Now I can play the video or I can go to the PDF lesson. Alright, I hope this explains the process or what your students view when they view your course. Thank you.